Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GAIB token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GAIB is a blockchain platform bridging decentralized finance with real-world AI infrastructure assets, enabling tokenization of GPUs, robotics, and compute resources to generate on-chain yields. GAIB reimagines AI infrastructure as programmable financial assets, connecting DeFi liquidity to real-world productivity. Its success hinges on adoption by AI operators and integration with broader DeFi ecosystem. Can GAIB's tokenized compute model scale to meet trillions dollars AI infrastructure demands while maintaining decentralization? GIB project institution rating is 3.4. GIB token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 204.83 million GIB token. GIB token is listed on Bybit, Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.